Writing every single logical function from scratch will quickly slow down your development. The most efficient way to scale a project is to reuse code you've already written. A module is a standard Python file containing reusable code, like functions or classes, packaged into a unit accessible by other files. By keeping calculations in a file named mathoperations.py, you can use those tools simply by plugging it into your main script. Local modules allow you to expand your logic across multiple files, letting one script borrow work from another file located on the same computer. You don't always have to create these files yourself. Python comes with a library of built-in modules, such as the math module, which are included with your initial installation. These tools are instantly accessible. You just use the import command at the top of your script, and you can start using those functions without any extra steps. However, if you need your code to perform a task like connecting to the internet to fetch data, you'll find that those specific tools aren't included in the base Python library. While built-in modules handle standard math and system logic, most specialized tasks require a bridge to external code written by other developers. To cross that gap and reach those external modules, you use a package manager called pip. To get a new tool, you go to your terminal and run a command like pip install requests. This tells pip to find that specific module on the internet and download it to your system. Once the download completes, the request module allows your local script to communicate with an external server to pull in live web data. Take a moment to recall the exact terminal command we used to start that download before we move on to the code. Pip serves as the supply line that connects your local environment to millions of external libraries. If you forget one of these steps, you'll likely run into the most common error for Python beginners, the module not found error. This happens when you try to import a module you haven't downloaded. Python looks for the code, cannot find the package, and stops. To fix this, run the pip installation command in your terminal to complete the path. Now the script executes successfully. Remember these 3 rules. Local modules are files you wrote and import directly. Built-in modules are already on your system and ready to import. And external modules must be installed via pip before they can be used. Managing these 3 module types and using pip correctly allows you to build more complex applications by combining your own logic with specialized tools from the